Welcome to our lesson on Introduction to Management and Entrepreneurship, where we explore these two vital business disciplines. Today, we'll be navigating the exciting worlds of business leadership and innovation together. Let's begin by understanding what management truly means in the context of organizations. Management is a structured process where we achieve organizational goals by efficiently using resources, aligning activities, and coordinating people and tasks. It involves planning, organizing, leading, and controlling to ensure we reach our desired outcomes, including setting objectives, allocating resources, motivating teams, and monitoring progress. Now, let's turn our attention to entrepreneurship and what it involves. Entrepreneurship is the process of identifying market gaps, innovating, and taking calculated risks to create new business opportunities. Entrepreneurs focus on transforming creative ideas into viable businesses that generate value for stakeholders, which involves spotting needs, developing new solutions, and investing despite uncertainties. Next, we'll explore the key functional areas of management that support any organization. Think of these areas as everything radiating from the center of effective business operations. First, we have strategic management. This involves setting a long-term vision and ensuring all activities align with organizational goals. Then, there's human resource management. This area focuses on hiring the right people, training them effectively, and retaining talented employees. We also have financial management. This is all about planning and controlling the financial resources to keep the business healthy. Another critical area is operations management. This ensures the efficient delivery of products or services to meet customer expectations. And finally, marketing management. This involves understanding customer needs deeply and driving sales through effective strategies. Now, let's look at the different dimensions of entrepreneurship that exist today. These dimensions also radiate from the center, showing how entrepreneurship adapts to various contexts. First, social entrepreneurship. This focuses on addressing social issues through innovative and sustainable solutions. Next, technology entrepreneurship. This involves leveraging technology to create innovation and disrupt traditional markets. Then, green entrepreneurship. This emphasizes developing sustainable and eco-friendly business models for the future. And finally, corporate entrepreneurship. This is about fostering innovation and new ventures within established firms. To wrap up, let's compare management and entrepreneurship directly. These are distinct yet interconnected approaches that drive business success in different ways. On one side, we have management. Management focuses primarily on achieving clear organizational goals through structured processes. It is operational and process-driven, ensuring efficiency in daily activities. Generally, management is risk-averse and seeks stability to maintain consistent performance. It is guided by existing policies and procedures that provide a reliable framework. On the other side, we have entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship focuses on identifying and pursuing new opportunities in the market. It is visionary and idea-driven, often starting from creative concepts. Risk-taking is inherent here, as innovation requires stepping into the unknown, and decision-making is flexible and dynamic, adapting quickly to changes and new information. Now let's explore classical management theories, which form the bedrock of modern organizational practices. These theories established the foundations of efficiency and structure in how we manage organizations today. First, we have scientific management, pioneered by Frederick Taylor in the early 20th century. This approach emphasizes work standardization to maximize efficiency and productivity in every task. It also focuses on task specialization, where workers become experts in specific, defined roles. Next is administrative management, developed by Henry Fayol to improve overall organizational effectiveness. This theory establishes fundamental principles for creating effective and well-organized business structures. It identifies key managerial functions including planning, organizing, commanding, coordinating, and controlling. Finally, we examine bureaucratic management, introduced by Max Weber as a systematic approach. This method uses a structured, rule-based approach to ensure consistency and fairness in operations. It establishes clear hierarchy and formal rules that guide decision-making throughout the organization. Now let's shift to behavioral management theories, starting with Abraham Maslow's influential work. These theories focus on understanding employee motivation and what drives people at work. At the base of Maslow's hierarchy are physiological needs, our most fundamental requirements. This includes basic salary that provides for survival and comfort in daily living. Next are safety needs, which address our desire for security and protection at work. This encompasses job security and maintaining a safe, hazard-free work environment for all employees. Then we have social needs, which relate to our innate desire for connection and community. This involves creating a sense of belonging and fostering strong team cohesion within the workplace. Moving up, esteem needs represent our desire for recognition and respect from others. This includes acknowledgement of achievements and feeling valued for one's contributions at work. At the peak is self-actualization, the highest level of human psychological development. This involves providing opportunities for personal growth, creativity, and ultimate fulfillment at work. Now, let's examine modern management perspectives that help organizations adapt to today's dynamic world. These approaches focus on adapting management practices to our rapidly changing global environment. First is systems theory, which views organizations through a comprehensive, interconnected lens. This perspective sees organizations as open systems that constantly interact with their external environment. Next is contingency theory, which emphasizes flexibility in management approaches. This theory states that management strategies must depend on specific situational factors and contexts. Then we have total quality management, or TQM, which focuses on excellence throughout the organization. TQM emphasizes continuous improvement in all processes to achieve maximum customer satisfaction. Finally, learning organizations represent a forward-thinking approach to organizational development. These organizations prioritize fostering continuous learning and knowledge sharing among all employees. Now, let's explore entrepreneurship and its crucial role in driving economic growth and transformation. Entrepreneurship serves as a powerful engine for driving growth and transformation in economies worldwide. One key contribution is job creation, which addresses employment needs in communities. Entrepreneurs establish new businesses that create employment opportunities across various sectors. These ventures generate both direct employment within the business and indirect jobs through supply chains. Entrepreneurs also serve as an innovation driver, bringing new ideas to market. They introduce innovative new products and services that meet evolving consumer needs and preferences. This innovation enhances market competitiveness and pushes entire industries forward through new ideas. Another significant impact is GDP contribution, which measures economic output and growth. Entrepreneurs increase the production of goods and services, adding directly to national economic output. They also drive investments and consumption patterns that stimulate broader economic activity and growth. Finally, entrepreneurship supports regional growth by developing underserved areas and communities. Entrepreneurs often invest in underdeveloped areas, bringing economic opportunities to regions that need them most. Their investments frequently lead to improved local infrastructure and community development initiatives. Now, let's examine the essential entrepreneurial traits that distinguish successful business founders. These are the fundamental qualities that drive entrepreneurial success and sustainable business growth. First is visionary thinking, the ability to see beyond current market conditions. This involves foreseeing emerging trends and setting clear, achievable long-term goals for the venture. Next is risk-taking, a crucial characteristic for navigating business uncertainties. Successful entrepreneurs show willingness to take calculated risks that can lead to significant breakthroughs. Then we have resilience, the capacity to recover from challenges and setbacks. This means overcoming business obstacles with determination and persistence, despite difficulties and failures. Leadership skills are essential for guiding teams and organizations toward success. This involves inspiring and motivating team members to work collectively toward shared business objectives. Finally, adaptability allows entrepreneurs to respond effectively to changing market conditions. This means being flexible and responsive to evolving market dynamics and customer preferences. Now, let's review our summary of key concepts from management and entrepreneurship. Here are the essential key takeaways that you should remember from our discussion today. First, management ensures organizational efficiency through 4 key functions: planning, organizing, leading, and controlling. Second, entrepreneurship drives innovation and economic growth by identifying opportunities and taking strategic risks. Third, historical management theories provide the essential foundation for modern management practices we use today. Fourth, entrepreneurs are vital for economic development, creating jobs and fostering innovation in markets. Finally, both management and entrepreneurship, though distinct fields, are interdependent for achieving business success.